Hi everyone, welcome to Na's Kitchen. I hope we're all doing well, keeping safe. Yes, that is very important. Today I have a menu for my noodle lovers. Yes, we're taking noodles to the next step. We don't want to eat it boring anymore, so let's just get into it. For our ingredients, we have here 2 ramen noodles, yes, and the flavors. You know the noodles comes with flavors. We need the seasoning to add to it. So yes, I have 2 here. I have 2 scallions cut up. I have 1 shredded carrot. I have 1 habanero pepper for heat. Yes, you can omit that if you don't want the spiciness. We take it out. It's not supposed to be in anyway. We just love the heat in this house. I have half a Maggi cube here. If you don't have Maggi cube, use bouillon cubes. That works great. I have about a cup of orange, yellow, and green peppers cut up here. I have about a thumb size of ginger grated, and I have about 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. I have 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and I have about a cup and a half of shrimp peeled. So let's just get into it. So I have my water boiling right now. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and put in my shrimp flavor from the noodles. Remember, it was 2. I'm going to pour it in. Then I go in with my noodles. I broke it into 2. You can leave it like that if you don't want to. We're going to leave it to cook for about 2 minutes. Instructions on the wrapper says 3 minutes, but because we're going to end up frying it, I just like to cook it for at least 2 minutes because I don't want it too tender. So my noodles has been cooking for 2 minutes and it's ready now. This is the way I want it to be. I like the texture this way. So I'm going to go ahead and turn off my fire and pour out the water. Drain it out. Okay, so I'm draining my noodles now. And that's it. Move on to the next step. Okay, so I go in, my pan has been heating up for about 2 minutes. I'll go in with my oil. It's olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. And then I go in with my shrimp. At this point, I will go in with my ginger and my garlic. We kind of saute it with the shrimp because we want flavor. And add in my shrimp Maggi or your bouillon cube. And stir. So we're sauteing the shrimp and cooking it at the same time. It smells so good. I hope you try it. Then you know what I'm talking about because it smells really, really, really good. I've been doing this for about 4 minutes. And after about a minute, I should go in with my peppers. It's super easy, friends. I hope you try it. No more boring straight noodles. Okay, so at this point, I've been frying my shrimp for like 5 minutes. At this point, I'm going to go in with my peppers. Guys, this smells so amazing. And it's super easy. That's just what takes me to a different level. Nobody wants to take forever in the kitchen, right? So we're going to cook our peppers for about a minute. And then we go in with our hot pepper, our carrots, and our scallions. Okay. So after a minute, I'm going to go in now with my hot pepper, my carrots, and my scallions. So after a minute of frying my carrot, my scallions, and my pepper, I go in with my noodles. Tell me this is not simple. Then we mix it up. Take your time. Mix it up. So after about a minute of mixing up the noodles with the shrimps and everything, we're done. That's it. So then we go ahead and turn our fire off. So here we have it, friends. Our noodles is ready and I'm gonna serve it. I hope you're inspired to try this because trust me, it's super delicious. And health-wise, good. So here we have it, friends. Our noodles is ready. Our noodles with veggies and shrimp is ready. It tastes delicious. It's amazing. It smells so good. I hope you're inspired to try this. Please do leave me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe and see you again in my next video. Have a good one.